sessions itself. So much more pressure is what you've seen come in for iron ore and steel prices in the Shanghai markets there. Prathamesh Mallya then joins us on a phone line to talk about strategies on that space. Prathamesh, hi, good to have you come in on the crude oil prices and the kind of declines that we have seen. How are you dealing with a bit of an uptick that we have seen today?
Morning, Manisha. Yes, there's a lot been happening in the commodity space, and it's really volatile when it comes to commodities, and especially when it's coming to crude. It almost went to $47, as you mentioned earlier, and there's been a bit of short covering. Yes, but I don't think that this rally or this positivity will continue in today's session or possibly in the coming sessions. We do feel that selling on higher side is a best strategy for when it comes to oil, because all inventories remain high. Rig count is increasing in the U.S. Production is also close to 9.9 million barrels per day, which all signals that oil prices will further go down in the coming sessions. Hence, we're advising sell side strategy is in crude April contract. The entry point would be 3,210. Stop loss would be 3,270 for target lower towards 3,100, 110.
Sure. Prathamesh, also coming on the metal space, a bit of a buying that we have seen there. What are you doing with that? And are you still bearish on the space with the kind of declines that we've seen in last many sessions?
Yes, especially when it comes to copper, there's a lot of happening with regards to mine strike, wage issues, and that wage issue seems to have been come to possible resolution, but it is not end yet. So we feel that the copper space would be volatile as such. But if you are looking for a near-term strategy in copper, since it has already declined by so much, we feel that if you're buying for 1 or 2 days, you should place a buy strategy in copper. Buy April contract at around 375 marks, 378 marks, keeping a stop loss of 374 for target higher towards 384.
All right.
Okay, thank you very much, Prathamesh and Manisha, for taking us through the opening trades in the commodity space. We have to take a break, but thereafter, the affordable housing push gathers steam.